In math today, we're having a practice day. We're going to continue practicing counting to the nearest minute on a clock. You may join me on Seesaw. Click on Activities, Assign to Class folder, and blue Math. And I want you to begin by watching this video right here, the link. I want you to watch this video by yourself. So you need to plug in headphones, push play. And you may watch this video for a couple minutes, then we'll talk about what your task is today. You may begin with the video together. Today in math, we're going to be telling time to the nearest minute, but instead of just reading a clock, today we're going to build the time by drawing the hands. So let's do slide number 1 together. Look at slide number 1. I see a digital clock at the top right that tells me what time to make. Then I notice that there's some directions. The hour hand should be in red. The minute hand should be in blue. So let's look at this example. If it is 4:15, our hour hand is red. I noticed Mr. McKinney went and drew in the hour hand, pointing in the 4 o'clock hour. Then he changed his color to blue to draw his minute hand. How many minutes? 15. So Mr. McKinney started at 0 and he counted 5, 10, 15. Then he drew his minute hand pointing at that minute. Let's go to slide number 2. Let's try it together. You're going to follow the same directions today. You're going to read the digital clock. You're going to use the hour hand in red and the minute hand in blue. Let's do it together. What is the hour on the digital clock? Gloria? 5. Our hour hand is red. So I'm going to choose red for my hour hand. And I'm going to look between the 5 and 6 for the hours. You're not playing videos, you're not teaching. So my hour hand is going to start from the middle, and I'm going to draw it pointing in the 5 o'clock hour. Next, who can identify the minutes on the digital clock? Oscar. 30 minutes. So I'm going to switch my color to blue. My directions say to use blue for the minutes. And I'm going to start at the 12, and I'm going to skip count until I get to 30 minutes. So starting at 0 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I know that my minute hand will be pointing at 30 minutes. So I start from the center, and I know my minute hand is much longer than my hour hand. My minute hand goes almost to the edge, almost to the very edge of the face of the clock. If you want to erase your skip counting like me, when you're done, if you like it to look nice and clean, that's just fine with me. Okay? All right. I want you to go ahead and get started working. You have some different tasks. You have a video here that you can watch to use your interactive clock if you would like to do that. But today you are showing the time by drawing your hands. Yes, Kaylee? All right, you have some work time to begin now. I will be here if anyone has questions. You may begin. All right, friends on Zoom, your job today is just finish all the slides. You do not need to do slides 4 and 5. Do not need to do slides 4 and 5. You just need to finish the rest of them and show me your knowledge of telling time to the nearest minute. On slide 15, there is a game for you to play if you would like to. When you get done with your math work today, you can work on Prodigy.